Do you guys want to learn how you can make over $500 in one day? It's like the dream amount of money that you want to make, and a lot of people would do absolutely anything to achieve this. Now, there's nothing wrong about doing anything at all to really earn this money, and there's nothing wrong about it, because with that money, you're going to be able to do so many things. You can buy yourself something new or something you've always wanted. You can provide for your family, and with $500 a day, you're going to be able to travel the whole world and enjoy. And if you guys want to do this, because I know that you do, you're going to click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. No more struggle, no more guessing. A lot of people are already making this much money. It's not even that complicated, and we're gonna make it even more simple in today's video. I'm gonna teach you how you can make over $500 every single day with a brand new technique. It's a little bit weird, but it works perfectly, and it's 100% free. It's worldwide available, and I have a little surprise at the very end of this video, and it's just like a secret bonus tip and trick. So make sure you watch until the very end, and let's jump right into it. First of all, I want you guys to visit our website for today, which is called Sellics, and you can go onto Sellics.com, and it's a super easy method to make over $500 every day. So now you're going to scroll down to the very bottom of this website, and then you're going to look for this link over here, which is under the About Us section, and then you're going to see here the Affiliate program. And now I want you to click on this link, and as soon as you click on that link, you are going to go on over to this page, the Amazon Affiliate Program by Sellics, and basically you can refer the software to other people, and you're going to earn 100% of the commission. As you can see here, 100 commission on the very first month, and then additional 50 commission. And this is absolutely mind-blowing. It's super easy, it's very simple, and I mean, imagine just earning a 100% one-time commission. So I want to show you right now, okay? These are the pricing plans and all of the services that this company provides, okay? Now you can refer this plan to other people, and I'm going to show you how exactly you're going to do this. And no, you're not going to be selling anything. You don't need any skills. You don't need any experience. You don't have to talk to anyone. You don't have to create any videos. I promise it's very easy. And I'm going to be showing you a bonus at the end of the video. So for example, if people buy the annual plan right here for this amount of money, you're going to earn right away the same amount that it was being sold, because again, it's 100% commission on your first month. And on top of that, every following month you're going to be earning 50% commission. So basically you're going to earn 100 commission, which is the whole amount in the first month, and then for the remaining months you're going to be earning 50% of how much they are selling that annual price plan. And it's completely passive, it's free, and you're going to be able to earn an instant $500, and who doesn't love that? Please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see on our future videos, because it will be completely based off of all of your suggestions. You know we love to read through them, get some ideas, so make sure you do that, and let's get back into the video. So first of all, I want to show you how you can sign up for a free account, and then you're going to start making money on this website. And again, don't worry, no followers, no nothing, okay? So I want you to scroll down below over here, and then you are going to click on this button that says Become an Affiliate, and that's going to take you over to this page. As you can see here, welcome to the Select Affiliate Program. All you have to do is fill in your personal information. It's super easy and quick. So that's your first name, your last name, your email, and then for the legal entity type, you can just click on your individual, and after that you're gonna input your personal name, and under this website or social media section you can just input your Facebook profile URL link. And again, that's pretty much it. And I'm going to show you how you can use Facebook and make a lot of money and a lot of commission on this website. So when you scroll down, you're just going to put in very simple information for your mailing address. As you can see here, they do accept people from whatever country in the world, doesn't matter. And then once you successfully sign up, you've completed all of this for a free account, you're going to be able to get your unique affiliate link. And then I want you to go on this website, which is called bit.ly.com. You've heard about this before. All you have to do is go down here, shorten your link. You're going to paste your affiliate link so that you can shorten it. And then you're going to have a much more professional, much cleaner, neater, shorter link that's going to, again, want people to click on your link. If you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you are not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you are going to be the first to know, and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure you do that, and let's continue. Now, the next thing that I actually want you to do is to go on over to Facebook.com. Now, I do believe that a lot of people, and most of you guys, if not all, have a Facebook account already. So just log into your Facebook account. Then you're going to go on over to the search bar. Then you're going to type in Amazon seller. So you're going to press on the search button. Then you're going to search, and then you're going to come on over here. And then you're going to filter it to groups so you can see all of the Amazon seller related groups on Facebook. And what you're going to do is you're going to join for completely free. You're going to join as much as you can. Click on this button to join, and you're going to see how many members there are. And then sometimes they have a few questions to ask you just to prove that you're not a bot or whatever. So you're just going to answer those questions, and then you're going to go and click on submit. And now you have to remember and pay close attention, okay? So I do recommend that you send out or join 10 groups per day so you can have like a lot of Facebook groups. And then I'm just going to show you a simple script that you can just pause this video for, copy it, so you can use it right away and just paste it on all of those groups so you can start making money. So now take a look at this template that I already have for you. As always, this is completely free. You can pause the video, copy this script, okay? And basically, this is a script that you're gonna post on all of the groups, okay? This is the best opportunity to recommend them to the software company, which is Sellics, and how you can actually earn 100% and 50% commission, which is actually a lot of money just with one click. Again, with one click, $500. Now, you're gonna start asking something like this. Do you want to get more sales on Amazon? Just follow these 4 easy steps, and you'll see the 4 easy steps. And then you are obviously going to paste in your link. And when that's done, all you have to do is copy it. Okay, you're going to copy it, and then you're going to go onto the Amazon groups, and then you're going to paste it. And in no time, you're going to see those commission notifications just coming in like wildfire. Every time people will see this link, they're going to want to click on it, because obviously who wouldn't, right? What matters is that you copy the script that I had sent you, that I had showed you, because that is what's going to pull people in to click on your link, to sign up to purchase, and then that's how you're going to make money. So that's really all you have to do. Make sure that you follow everything that I had just taught you. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.